JRCO 15 cubic foot poly dump cart features a swiveling dump, designed for commercial landscapers, grounds crews, and property maintenance professionals. The unit attaches with a unique spring-loaded hitch pin. Available with 16-inch multi-terrain tires or 16-inch turf tires, it has a load capacity of 1,200 to 1,250 pounds. The foot pedal swivel dump allows controlled, hands-free dumping with a wide 100 to 105 degree range. A 1-inch solid steel axle enhances load stability and long-term performance. The easy hookup spring-loaded hitch pin simplifies attachment to mowers or UTVs. A black powder-coated steel frame adds strength and protection against rust.